This is the Dash Mini Bundt Maker. It says perfect personal bundt cakes, dual nonstick plates. I just got this, so we're gonna unbox it and try it out.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
This is what it says on the side. It says nice bundt. Ready, set, cook. Just plug it in. When the blue light turns off, you're ready to go. Easy serving. Using the included removal tool, simply lift the bundt and serve. No mess or fuss. Family fun. Whip up tasty snacks for the whole family. Recipe guide inside. Quick cleanup. Non-stick surface is PFOA free and makes cleaning easy. And here's the other side of it. Looks really cute. And then on this side it says mix and match. 60 cake and glaze combos, recipes inside. There's keto blueberry, classic bundt, gluten-free chocolate, and strawberry vanilla. So let's open this up and see what's inside. It says great choice, get to know your maker. Look inside, you'll find an envelope with everything you need to get started, including yummy recipes, instructions, and troubleshooting. We want you to have a great experience. If you run into any trouble, just contact our customer support team. They give you an 800 number or email support@storebound.com. So here is this little brochure about your warranty. And here's the envelope. Get cooking good looking. And then here is the booklet for the Mini Bundt Maker. Important safety instructions. Before using your Mini Bundt Maker, so they tell you the different parts. Carefully unpack your Mini Bundt Maker, remove all packaging materials, clean both cooking surfaces of the Mini Bundt Maker with a damp cloth or sponge. Wipe dry with a soft cloth. Never immerse the Mini Bundt Maker or cord in water or any other liquid. Position the Mini Bundt Maker on a dry, level, heat-resistant surface. It is recommended to operate this appliance on a separate outlet and circuit from other appliances to avoid overloading the circuit. And then they give you safety instructions on how to never touch the top and how to open it. Using your Mini Bundt Maker. Place the appliance on a stable and dry surface. Lift the cover to open the Mini Bundt Maker. Spray both cooking surfaces with a small amount of cooking spray. Plug the cord into an outlet. The indicator light will illuminate blue, signaling that the Mini Bundt Maker is heating up. Once the cooking surfaces reach the optimal cooking temperature, the indicator light will automatically shut off. Note, always preheat the Mini Bundt Maker before adding batter or the surface will not heat evenly. Do not leave your Mini Bundt Maker unattended when plugged in. Add the removal tool to the base of the Mini Bundt Maker. Carefully pour batter into the Mini Bundt Maker, filling so the base is approximately 3/4 full. The Mini Bundt will rise while cooking, so do not overfill the Mini Bundt Maker. Close the cover. During the cooking process, the heating element will automatically turn on and off to regulate the temperature and ensure that the cooking surface does not get too hot or cold. When this occurs, the indicator light turns on and off. Actual cooking time will vary depending on the ingredients and type of bundt being prepared. As a general guideline, most recipes require on average 9 to 11 minutes of cooking time. It is okay to open the cover to check for doneness. Always lift using the cover handle. You can use a toothpick to check the cake for doneness. If the toothpick comes out clean, your cake is cooked through. Once the bundt is cooked, first unplug your Mini Bundt Maker. Allow the appliance to cool for a few minutes, as the cake and Mini Bundt Maker will be very hot. Carefully remove your cake by lifting the removal tool. Be careful, as the sides of the removal tool may still be hot. And it says do not use metal utensils because it's a non-stick surface. And allow it to cool before cleaning. And here's the recipe guide. Vanilla Mini Bundt Cake. Oh, that looks so cute. orange olive oil mini bundt cake, keto zucchini spiced mini bundt cake, sour cream chocolate mini bundt cake, red velvet mini bundt cake, gingerbread mini bundt cake, that sounds really good, strawberry mini bundt cake, cornbread mini bundt cake with jalapeno lime glaze, blueberry lemon keto mini bundt cake, and then they give you different glazes, cream cheese glaze, vanilla glaze, peanut butter glaze, chocolate glaze, Nutella glaze. And they give you recommended combinations. That is really cool. I can't wait to try some recipes. So here is the Bundt maker, all packaged up. So that is what it looks like. So here's the bottom, and then here's the top, and then this piece goes in the bottom here. So this is what you lift it up with, which is really cool. So I'm gonna go wash this off and I'll be right back. I just plugged in the mini Bundt maker. I like to heat it up for a while before the first time that I use it because you'll smell some of the chemicals burning off from the nonstick coating. So I'd rather just have those burn off with anything in it than while I'm cooking it for the first time. So right now I'm just heating it up. And this is what I want to try in the mini Bundt maker. I got this at Aldi, I believe. These are single serve mug delights. This is confetti cake mix. It says 4 individual pouches, ready in about 1 minute. So these are microwave mug cakes. The brand is Baker's Corner. And I'm going to try this in the mini Bundt maker. I never make microwave mug cakes. I have actually used 2 of these already, and I just made them in a dash griddle. When I was feeling like something sweet, I was like, let me try one of these in a griddle, and they came out like a pancake. They reminded me of a pancake. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to prepare one of these and get it ready. So this is the pouch, and this has the cake mix in it. All I need to do is add 2 tablespoons of water and mix it up, and then I have cake batter. So here is the cake batter. It's mixed up really nicely. It has some sprinkles in it. And then here is the Bundt, which is all heated up. I don't know if this is going to be enough for the Bundt maker. It might not be enough batter, but we'll pour it in and we'll see what happens, okay? I'm trying to be neat about it so it doesn't get all sloppy. Okay, got a little messy, and I don't know if that's 3/4 full. Really wasn't watching, but we're gonna shut this and we'll be back in 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes now, and I wish you could smell how amazing this smells. It smells so good. Let's open it up and let's see what's going on inside. I hope it rose, and I hope it's cooked nicely. Look at that. It looks really good. It did not rise enough to get like the indentations on the top, like you see on the top of the Bundt maker. There's a nice design, so it did not rise enough to do that, but it looks nicely browned around the edges. And I do have a toothpick, which I'm going to put inside. Let's see, and the toothpick came out clean. Yeah, the toothpick came out clean, so this should be done. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to unplug it. Okay, I unplugged it, and we're going to let it cool for a few minutes, and then I'm going to take it out. It's been a few minutes now, so let's lift this out. This is really hot. So these These have like silicone or rubber ends, but they're still really hot. Be very careful. One thing that I forgot to do before making this cake was spray the Bundt maker with cooking spray. I totally forgot to do that. But it's a really cute little Bundt. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this aside and let it cool down. And we'll come back later and then we'll taste it. So here's what the cake looks like. And this is what the bottom looks like. It came off nicely even though there was no cooking spray. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to let it cool now. It's about an hour later now and the cake has cooled. And I've made a glaze for the cake. So what this is some confectioner's sugar and some lemon juice. I was going to make a vanilla glaze, but I can't find my vanilla extract, so I decided to make a lemon glaze. And the lemon glaze will be nice to go with the cake. I also have some rainbow sprinkles that I'm going to use, so let's decorate the cake. First thing I'm going to do is drizzle on some of the glaze. It looks really good. Now let's sprinkle on some sprinkles. Such a cute little Bundt. And here's the little Bundt cake. It almost looks like a donut, but it's a mini Bundt. And I could have made the glaze a little bit thicker, but it'll be fine. So now let's cut into this. I can't wait to taste it. The cake looks really good. It definitely tastes like cake, not like a donut. And I love the lemon glaze on it because it tastes like a lemon pound cake. If you ever had a lemon pound cake, those are really good, and that's what this tastes like. I would never know that this was from a mug cake mix. Personally, I've never been a fan of mug cakes, the kind you make in the microwave. I don't like the texture of them. I've never really liked them. But this is good. This kind of transforms it into something better. It's really, really good. I'm definitely going to enjoy this mini Bundt maker. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.